679 has one at the hospital for a blood draw that they're still doing, and then you'll have two. You won't come.
Yeah, that dude's falling over. But if someone's willing to let it die like that, it's just like...
Exactly.
This
So
dude just took a picture of a banana.
TC negative entry.
What's up, bro?
You're recording the nightlife or what?
Yeah, dude. Did you see that?
Yeah.
What? Oh, you want to shout out?
What's your name, bro?
Gabriel.
Gabriel, bro. Hey.
Gabriel, God bless.
Hey, much love, bro. Hey. You.
Nux.
So,
Oh, yeah.
you what? So you work like for the
I'm self-employed. I just kind of have a YouTube channel and I document police and shit like that.
What's that called? The fucking thing.
I have to documentation.
Sorry, I'm trying to just document this right now.
Hey, let's go to Denny's instead.
Let's go to Denny's. Look at the news on get videos. What is called the?
Go to Denny's.
Yup.
No, he got it. He got it.
I ain't spraying over nobody like that. Oh, mommy. Hey, we doing this for YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slo Observer on YouTube.
It's crazy though, you know? If we're that age, though, for race to see that shit, I'm good.
Yeah, it ain't worth it, bro. It ain't worth it. Nah, it ain't worth it.
Oh my god.
Slo Observer, right?
Slo County Observer, yeah.
I'll take this spec for anyone.
Anthony!
Yeah, it's me.
Okay.
Oh yeah, appreciate you, man.
Yeah. You gotta support the local business, right?
Yeah.
Local people,
Go home, motherfuckers.
Right?
Go home, motherfuckers.
Alright, hey, you guys have a good night, alright? Yeah, it ain't worth it. It ain't worth it, guys. Just have a good night, alright?